Kalau pasal perfume ni, mesti orang akan tanya pasal longevity ataupun perfume ni long lasting ke tak. I nak bagi some tips about perfume longevity ni. Sebelum tu kita kena tahu, okay, dia ada banyak faktor. So there are a lot of factors that make the perfume last longer than others. Dia ada banyak faktor. So one of them is the ingredient dia tu ataupun the notes. Kalau kita tengok perfume dia biasanya dia ada layer lah. So usually we say top notes, middle notes and base notes. Top notes ni sebab dia basically dia punya ingredient dia tu ringan. Molecule structure dia ringan lah. So that's why dia top notes. Sebab itu yang lepas kita spray, kita akan bau tu dulu. So top notes ni basically what it means is, okay, since dia ringan, so dia evaporate dulu. It's lighter, so it evaporates first. So tu yang kita akan bau dulu. Middle notes and base notes ni dia heavier. Biasa top notes are like your citrus, some florals. These are the typical lah. Citrus ni macam lime ke, bergamot, lemon, this type of notes. So they are lighter, they evaporate faster. So sebab dia lagi ringan kan. Certain notes, the citrusy notes especially, dia takkan jadi base notes. It's impossible for it to become base notes sebab the molecule tu ringan. It's not going to last berjam-jam macam base notes. So tu kita kena faham the different levels lah. So the top notes, middle notes and base notes. So biasanya yang notes bau yang akan tahan lama adalah base notes. These are the heavier notes, which is like your vanilla, tonka bean, your woods. So anything yang woody. Wood is a very heavy note, so dia tahan lagi lama lah. You cannot expect something yang fresh, bau dia tahan more than 8 hours. Sebab usually these fresher notes, it is more suitable as a top notes lah sebab dia lagi ringan and dia depending on cuaca and kita punya body temperature. So kalau cuaca panas, badan kita panas, kita spray on our skin, memang cepatlah akan hilang kalau notes tu very light. These are like your citrus. Tu first kita kena faham. So certain notes dia bit more heavier and it can last longer. So if you want long lasting perfume, usually these are the kind of perfume yang more sweeter, more woody compared to fresh perfume. So fresh perfume dia memang not going to be long lasting. Tu first kena faham. Dia ada a lot more other factors yang that one I will share later on lah. So the thing that you have to take note of is the different notes lah. So basically the different notes. So if you want the longer lasting, dia memang more towards gourmand, sweet, woody, wood. So this kind of fragrances yang memang akan tahan lebih lama. So that one you have to understand. So if you like fresh perfume yang bau soft and nak tahan lama, is maybe a bit too much to ask. Dia ada cara to make it last longer. So usually the perfume brands dia akan masukkan something called like fixatives, or it's a chemical lah. So other chemicals in to boost the performance. This one we'll share later on. If you want perfume that lasts longer, choose perfumes with heavier notes. But of course, if you don't like those kind of notes, then susah sikit to find the one yang longer lasting. But that's okay. So that's why at Scentflix we have the perfume decant. So you can always top up. So tak kisahlah you pakai perfume yang lebih ringan, yang just fresh and soft, it can still last longer if you just use decant and then like kalau kerja ke after lunch, then you just top up and reapply and then it will smell fresh again.